Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Now today's one is going to be a very interesting one. So I finally got another car here out in Australia. So obviously you know that I did have the Corolla if you're following the channel, so I just had that for a little bit just until I could find something, and I now have it. You might be able to guess from the interior what it is if you know, possibly, but I'll show you around in a little bit. But yeah, I am very excited about the car. I've got a lot of plans for it. I'll kind of just do your walk around and tell you what kind of stuff I've got planned for it. I've got a lot planned already. Hopefully I can get it done as well soonish, you know, in the next month or two. For most of it, there's a lot of stuff that I want to get and add. But yeah, here's a 1994, so it's a little bit older again from the EP3 that I had. But yeah, anyway, I'll stop babbling on and I'll show you around the outside of the car. So yeah, as you can see, I've decided to go with another Honda Civic. Again, moved all the way across the planet and I still can't get away from Civics. But yeah, it's a very nice one. It's had a lot of work done to it already in terms of the engine and a few other bits as well. So yeah, it was really kind of like, it just worked out the right price with the right sort of stuff done to it for me. There's quite a few other ones I was looking at, but they were a bit more money. There's also that turboed one, you might have seen it on my page that I went to look at, the UK, which was very nice, but it was a little bit more money. It needed to be engineered, it needed a few thousand spending just to get it on the road alone, then a good few thousand on paint, and then if something went wrong with it, then it'd, you know, cost a load of money and I'd have none left to, you know, to put into it. So I decided to go with this. I'm very happy with it. I'll just go through the list here on my phone because there's a lot that's been done to it. So it's a B18 C7 head with a B20 block. So it's had B18 CR cams, box cam gears, Supertech LMA, ARP head studs, Eagle H beam forged rods, YCP pistons, ACL race bearings, Nippon piston rings, ARP rod bolts, and then you see I'll put on the screen as well somewhere the rest of the stuff as well that's been done to it. So there's about $7,000 worth that's been spent on this car. Now obviously the outside of the car is not the best. There's a lot of dents, there's a few uneven panels, that sort of stuff, but the idea is that I'd get this and then build it up. So I'm hopefully getting it resprayed soon. Hopefully I'm looking at maybe within the next few months. But yeah, as you see in the interior, I'll just show you around in here as well. It's very old school, obviously, from 1994. The guys are chilling out here. What are they up to? Anyway, yeah, as you see, it's obviously very retro. So yeah, we've got not a lot in here. Surprisingly, it does have electric mirrors. It's got electric mirrors as well, which I was very shocked about, and electric windows. I was not expecting that for 1994. Didn't have central locking, but that I don't mind. But yeah, the interior is quite nice. Back seats are a little bit rough, but the front seats are like pristine. Just needs a bit of a clean up. The carpet, I want to go through a bit of full clean, and the interior is quite nice as well. There's no air conditioning. I'm hopefully going to get that fitted at some point as well, because it would be, you know, here in Australia, quite nice to have that. Definitely be ideal. But yeah, overall I'm very happy with the car. It's obviously had a lot of work done and money spent on it. So yeah, the plan is just probably just to list a few bits that I'm looking at getting, you know, in the short term, so like maybe next month or so, is going to be a good set of nice wheels. Get some wheels on there, probably get some wind deflectors, and then go over the entire car, just kind of, you know, use some iron remover, you know, kind of clay bar it down, that sort of stuff, because it'll have to be done at some point anyway. Perhaps I may as well just do a little bit now and clean it up a bit, because on the back it is a little bit, a few like ingrained bits in the paint. So yeah, there's that stuff I'm going to be doing. Change the bulbs, change a load of bulbs out, all brand new bulbs, that sort of thing. So yeah, there's a few bits that I want to do, and then obviously the paint work, get the body work right, and then look at getting a new ECU, getting it, because it's just got like a generic map on it at the minute, so it's not tuned in for everything that's been fitted, that sort of stuff. So get a new ECU, get that mapped up, and then just go over a few little bits, you know, that might need topping up, that sort of general maintenance sort of things, you know, go through everything, just check it's, you know, fine. Yeah, I am very, very happy with the car, and there's obviously loads that I'm going to do to it over the next few coming months, and I'm hopefully going to get down to a load of the car meets as well in Sydney. I've heard there's, you know, some crazy meets that go on. The cars out here are just insane compared to the UK. It's like ridiculous what you can get. I have to put this window down, it's boiling. But yeah, the car scene out here is mental, so I can't wait to get into it and get some videos of other people's cars as well. That'd be very interesting. But yeah, anyway, it's only right if I take it for a little drive, so I'm gonna put this mount on my I've only just thought about doing it. So I've got this charger and then this mount which fits on here, so I'll put it on here. We'll go for a little drive. I can't go too crazy because, you know, New South Wales, there's double demerits at the minute because it's Anzac Day, so I do not want to get double points out here. But yeah, we'll go for a little drive. So yeah, I thought before I go on a quick drive, I'll just show you around the outside quickly. So you see the back, there's like some really bad bits in the paint here that don't come off, so I've tried cleaning it up, that doesn't come off. We've got the exhaust on there, our control arms as well, see them down there. Badge on there, need to sort that out. The wheels, obviously, I want to get something better on them. Quarters like really bad along here, see there, all the paint's coming off. Door handles, a bit messy, so just need sorting out really. There's a little bit there as well. Bit on the fender, whatever you want to call it out here. It's like really bad along the bottom. See there, the front bumper definitely needs replacing. See there, it's quite bad. Bonnet's all scuffed up. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be sorted on the paint, that's for sure. So anyway, yeah, let's go for a little drive. Just take you out, can't go crazy as I was saying before, but hopefully you can hear it alright. Sounds so nice, it just drives so good, this car as well. Hopefully that you can see me okay. It's probably not an ideal film mount this, but camera mount, sorry. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. There will be lots more coming on this car, so there'll be loads of content coming out, and I'm going to try and document it all along the way of building it up and getting it to where I want it to be. But yeah, keep an eye out on the channel as well. As I say, there'll be loads of new content coming, and now I've got a good car out here that I can take to car meets and, you know, cruises, that sort of thing. So there'll be hopefully some content of other people's cars soon as well. So yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, drop a like, thank you very much if you do, and I'll see you in the next one.